Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Shraddha here from Creative Edges. Please don't forget to subscribe us for more future videos like this one. So today we are going to make this altered art. For that I am using the rice paper from ITD collection and I'm going to paste it with the help of my Mod Podge. I'm going to apply this Mod Podge on the base. Now I'm using my texture paste and I'm going to use my Expression Craft stencils and I'm going to apply this one. Now I pasted the door image and I'm going to use this wooden piece and I'm also using my molded. You can use any air dry clay if you have, and I'm going to stick it like that, and the sleeves also I made it from the clay only. Now I'm going to paint here and there. I'm also using my Lindy sprays to cover it up, and these stones are also made with the clay only, so you can make it very easily and it's very easy process. After painting and everything and spraying little bit, you can see how it's going to look. I hope you're enjoying this tutorial. Please do not forget to thumbs up this tutorial, and if you like, please do comment below. If you have any questions, do contact me regarding this video, and please do subscribe my channel so that you can't miss more future videos. And we are also coming up with a lot of hobs. Please do participate and have a chance to win the goodies. Thanks guys, thanks for watching it. I hope you're enjoying it.